Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type your settings and click here to open it. Now we need to click on these three lines and go to network and internet. Just scroll down, go to advanced network settings and click on network reset. We need to select reset now and select S. Once done, close the window and simply right click on the start icon, go to device manager and then expand the network adapters, and from here find out your Wi-Fi network connection. For example, this one is my Wi-Fi network connection. I will simply right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab, select update driver and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Just close the window, then go to search bar, type your task manager and click here to open it. This is the last process, so click on run new task, select browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out system32 folder and open it, and here in the system32 folder we need to find out cmd file. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box, this is very important. This will create the task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute two commands. Those commands are very important, so type the commands very carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in netsh space winsock reset and hit enter. Now type in netcfg space -d and hit enter. Once done, type exit and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.